Oh, what's good, y'all? Rich from Anywhere, gang. Plex Boogie is in the building. I'm in NYC this week. Show y'all a little bit about where I'm at right now. It's cloudy outside. It's cold as hell, but it's cool because we're out here and we're living. Anyway, the message of this video today is invest in yourself. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. The ROI on self-development is way higher than any stock, bond, IRA, cryptocurrency, even though cryptocurrency is pretty fucking high returns right now. The investment on yourself, highest ROI by far that you'll ever get. Because think about it. You invest in yourself, you learn a skill. That skill gets you maybe a job, maybe a new relationship, maybe just new opportunities. Those jobs, relationships, opportunities turn into more jobs, relationships, opportunities. Those jobs and relationships and opportunities turn into more jobs and relationships and opportunities. And it keeps on going and keeps on going and keeps on going. So when you think about it in retrospect, that type of ROI, it's life-changing. It's almost hard to even evaluate how much return on the investment it is because it actually just changes your life in general. So I want y'all to stop being afraid to invest in yourself. Some of y'all aren't. Some of y'all already do this, and that's great. Continue to keep doing it. But a lot of people out there, I talk to people every week in different cities all over the world. And people are afraid to put money on themselves. They're afraid to put money into their education. And really what that means is that you don't believe in yourself. Sorry, I mean, it might not be what you want to hear, but it's what you need to hear, trust me. If you are afraid to put money into your own self-education, that means you don't believe in yourself. And when you don't believe in yourself, I hate to say this, man, but you're never gonna be successful, ever. That's just the truth. Ask any successful person, go read up on anybody who's made, built wealth in their life. And I guarantee you, somewhere along the lines, they had some kind of training, mentorship, self-education, post-secondary education that they put themselves through. And not only that did they do it once, but they do it repeatedly, over and over and over again. Because times change, things change, technology changes. You always have to stay up on the, on the up and up, the new. You got to stay up on it. So the basic message of this video is to encourage you guys to go out there and invest in yourselves. I guarantee it will be life-changing for you. Whether it's going out and learning how to use Shopify, whether it's going out and investing in a cryptocurrency course, learning how to invest correctly, financial, anything, tax-saving tips, like, take a course on taxes, take a course on real estate, take a course on anything wealth building, go out, educate yourself. How are you gonna try to go out and create a life for yourself and build wealth and you don't know how to do it? So cheers to y'all's success. 2018 is gonna be huge for y'all. It's gonna be huge for everybody who decides to invest in themselves. You know what I'm saying? That's basically how it goes. So peace out. Plex Boogie, Rich from Anywhere. We live from NYC, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.